Good day, guys. Good day, guys. Most of you been asking, this guy is always sharing strategies, but we don't see him making profit. As you can see today, I'm growing only 200 Rand with my Xness account, guys. This is what is happening right now. So we entered a sell on gold. As you can see, we entered some here with the first 200. The market gave us a little bit of money, then went back. Then we re-entered again here. So we're waiting for the market to reach level 38 so that we can close our trade. So guys, this is one of the best strategies that we use, best strategies that you can engage in for you to be able to make money. So every strategy that we share online, guys, just make sure, try to follow every strategy and WhatsApp me, guys. WhatsApp me on the number that I'm using so that you guys can always be able to be profitable with us, guys. So as you can see, from 200 Rand to 11,000 Rand, just imagine this huge amount of money. So anyway, this is under this is my client account. This is under investment plan. So this is how our investment plan works. You fund your account with the money that you want us to trade your account with. Let's say maybe you wanted the package of 200. You fund 200, then you pay 200 to us. We manage the account for you. You understand? That's what you do. Then we can trade. You tell us whether you want us to trade for as you can see, is between 1 to 5 days. So we don't trade more than 5 days. So you tell us on how many days you want us to trade your account. So per day we can make, from 200 we can make double the amount or triple the amount, but we make sure we make 100% profit. Then after making 100% profit, you withdraw into your own trading account. Then if you thank us with something, you thank us with something. There's a percentage that we're gonna deduct from the money we made for you. But obviously, you're gonna be left with a lot of money. As you can see, this client paid 200 for investment plan and funded 200 in their trading account. What we did, we just made this person 10,000. As you can see, this is 10,000 Rand, as you can see. So this is the first attempt. Just imagine, this is the first attempt. Then we're gonna trade it again tomorrow and make more than this, then trade again and again. They told us to trade for 3 days on this account, so which means 30k, 100% is gonna be made trading gold only. So we do gold, guys. As you know, gold is paying. So this is what we're doing right now. I'm very proud of myself that I'm doing this. So yeah, this is what we're doing. So if you want to join our investments, inbox me on the number that you see on the screen. There we go. You can see the investment plan, how they go. So inbox me on the number that you see there so that you are able to join our investment plan, so that you are able to make money with us. So you fund, our investment plan work like this. You fund your own account, then you bring it to us. You pay 200, any amount that you want us to trade in your trading account. You pay that amount. You also fund your trading account. Then we trade your trading account, just like that. So I advise you to start small so that you keep on going up with us. You can start from 150, you can start from 200 or more. So the market, obviously, no matter what, is gonna push up a little bit, then come back to this level, then we're done. So make sure, guys, you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you follow us so that you keep on making money. Remember, it's June now. We're looking for December, what's gonna happen. So make sure you are in December financially stable. Thank you.